Hello everyone, Capricorns out there, welcome to my channel, sending you love all the way from India. If you are new to this channel, hi. If you are coming back, returning, then hi, welcome back. Follow me on Instagram, SASHELLS, running Seychelles, and I do have Facebook page as well, Seychelles Speaks Messages. If you are, if you hear some sounds, it's traffic time, it's high time there, even dogs are barking, if the camera can capture that. Okay, so let's start with your reading. This is going to be for 14th and 15th of August 2020, though twin flame soulmates connections, and connections can go for work areas as well. General universal readings can go vice versa. You all know that, okay? So maybe if it is not resonating with you now, maybe it's not for you, or maybe it will resonate later on. All right, so let's start now. So I can hear few words. Actually, one word was like a clutch, clasp. Okay, I don't know what it is. Like clasp is it like something like it's like closed something, and one thing is like it feels to me as if it's a clutch. So it's like basically that they have the teeth, and the way you use the clutch and all to tie your hair, it's kind of something connected with the tie. Okay, but when I was focusing on that, it was kind of like two hands, but those were not like this light, they were like this. So it's kind of like it will give you the formation of those nails here. Okay, so in the skin basically. So it's basically was not a happy energy, or let's just put that is not exactly positive energy. I don't know what is going on around you, we'll get into the cards, but something is definitely connected with, in one of my last readings, I suppose, Capricorn, maybe this energy is flowing. I said that the grass is green, but it's not exactly what it is being shown or it seems. Okay, so that's what I can give you till now. Okay, so let's see, why are you eating the berries even you don't like it? I mean, you don't like them. So this could be something connected with the holding of the hands, but is not being liked possible, or this is a tie, not exactly the bond. So it's like a tie which is very tight. Okay, kind of like you're caught in something. Is it something connected? And you're trying here. Now roles can be reversed, remember that. This is Eight of Pentacles energy. It is something that you are trying to lit the relationship. Is it you are trying to calm the energy down? I kind of feel like you're trying to make yourself light so that you can tackle something here. That's what I see. So let's see where you're coming from. Definitely there is something going on, like the tower situation. It's not okay, it's not all right. Basically, whatever it is, some stagnation, or something connected with where they are going, or what they are thinking, or what they are up to. Whatever is going on, you actually know it. It's kind of like lightning effect. Okay, for me, tower is an illegal building that should fall. Yeah, something is burning here. I feel like burning sensation. Okay, let's see what is happening with you. So we're going to shuffle. If we get the flip, good, because I like that. If we don't get the flip, this is your kind of flip actually. So you're getting the Emperor. Are you in love with an Aries, or this Aries person, or kind of like that personality is in love with you? Now there are two messages. One, it is very difficult to let go of them or let go of this connection because of certain issues. Another thing is like, because you might have shared a big bond here. Another thing is like it is something irresistible, or maybe it is dominating. Okay, something is here which feels though like not bond exactly. Maybe it seemed though like earlier at the first place, or in the first place we say it as, but now it's kind of giving you some kind of signs. Okay, when I was doing this recording, the recording time was prior 0404, and you're getting this number for the Emperor. So possible an Aries, not necessary, could be any sign, but I kind of feel like, are you like trying to go as per them, or you're trying to convince them, or maybe you want them to stay, or you just want everything okay, and that's why you are letting this situation flow? That's where you are, and that's where you're coming from. So you basically want to make them happy, or you just want everything all right, howsoever it goes for you. Because at the bottom there is this Ace of Chalices. So someone over here loved the other energy too much. Okay, so someone is overwhelmed with that. It's very kind of like irresistible kind of energy. Or maybe something happened or is happening which is irretrievable. Am I pronouncing it right? A reaction that you cannot go back and fetch. So there is something that's overflowing with, okay? Your heart loves the person, you or the person here. Something is not allowing any of you to let go. Now, for some cases, this could be the transition phase because of love that you hold for the person. This could be the startup of new love here, or maybe the dating scene, or howsoever it goes according to your storyline. There is this love I see definitely, which is over here, very, very much. It's like the days and the nights. It's like the union call. It's like yin and yang. Heavy energy of love formation. Okay? This may be connected with your past energies, a long-term person as well. Maybe someone will confess love to you. Maybe I'm speaking to different areas. 0606 recording time. Maybe I'm speaking to a tiny group of people for some cases, because these are general. But is it like some love is redefined or is being defined? Now, definitely there's this energy, you or the other person not or unable to let go. Now here you go. I had no good feeling while this was here, but maybe someone likes it because the other person is not letting the other person go. So it feels like it hurts you, but then again you're not letting it go, or you don't want to accept something. Definitely there is, ignore the sound, there's a bike. But definitely there is the star energy, which is about, are you supposed to let it go? So love someone but let it go, or you're unable to, and that's why this illegal building or this change that is required is not coming. Now for some of you, yes, definitely startup, or redefining, like you redefine or define the curls. You are redefining the love here, as in the matter of like the challenges, but this passion is not letting you let go of anything here. Okay, so yeah, I think some of you found your love. 9 of Cups, 9 of Chalices, the desires. I think like you got the love, you got the water, you were so thirsty here. Emotionally it was all drained and there was no fertility, okay, in your area. Basically emotionally it was all drained and fragile. But I feel like you heard from someone, they contacted you. I feel like you or the other person, I feel like if they contacted you recently, it's like dream came true. The connection is so good here. Maybe you just came in contact with like online or source, or maybe real time, I don't know, but for many of you it is like through other source. I feel like this is other source, I feel. And I also kind of get the message like they found it, like they got the number, the contact number, and they got in touch with you. Someone over here, I also feel like someone is happy to get in contact or in touch with the other energy, very happy. But I don't know, maybe, okay, if it is a redefine, okay, then maybe this person is coming from your past energies. Maybe this person is married now. Maybe they're just a single person, but single father possible. For some of you, male energy I can pick because of this Emperor, though they can be female energy as well. But as there is no Empress, I kind of get the message and I'll just deliver it to you. Okay, howsoever is, this is going to be a happy phase, but not exactly. You both might be in the situation what is going on and where it is going. Maybe this is your current partner and your family we are talking about. Okay, because not everyone is married, not everyone is how to say it, as like this is coming. Every phase is different, every individual personality, storyline, graph is different. Obviously we're different. Okay, there's definitely some heavy energy of fire here. Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. For some, Aries. Okay, now I feel like you're going to feel the passion is being returned to me, or some kind of like this is going to be interesting phase, I feel. Whether it is a closure, whether it is opening of the new door, It's going to be adventurous basically. It's going to be something different from since long. Okay, it's going to be different. Some of you will close the chapters. Sorry. Some of you will close the chapters with the World card. Some of you will start the new chapter with someone here. I feel like it's going to be the startup of either defining the new relationship with the new person, closing the old chapter, or redefining with the person you are meeting after long, or just in this case some modification is there, I can see. In here now, it's going to be someone either returning or actually providing you something, the footsteps that you've been observing. So it's going to be maybe it was something like you were in this and it got, okay, what is this? Okay, something was like this and you went, and now it's going to be the return. Okay, how you take this as, do you want this tie? So I kind of get this message of a tie bond. Okay, so with the Knight of Wands energy, there's this offering, and apart from offering, it's going to be very startled offering. Okay, remember this when it's going to happen. Recording time 11:11, so it's going to be the offering 11:11. Twin flame soulmates connections, howsoever you take it as. Some of you are dealing with the person who is from a very different place, totally different, kind of like I'm picking the word, a very hot and warm area. Okay, and it's also something that been traveling, they've been in their work, someone who is coming from far, kind of connection when they were not expecting this to take a turn in their life, or you were not expecting, and now it's going to come in your life. It's going on with you, is it? And still they're not tired. I mean, they're very happy while making this move towards you. They've been changing their decorum or some kind of styles or food habits also. I don't know what it is. I mean, drastic changes. Okay, okay, so let's see. Oh my god, this could be the person you once knew or you know. Recording time 12:12. King of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, definitely. So in your now, expect some adventure. In your now, you'll be startled. In your now, there could be some handshake, collab of any sort here. Okay, the Star card, fated connection. You're going to touch each other's life. Could be an Aquarius, not important, not necessary, I mean to say, not important, important. Okay, what's in your future call, a future vibe here? I feel like it's going to be, you are going to hear out from someone you heard way back, or you never heard, but you're going to be surprised. Three of Wands energy, it's also saying of like the ships are coming, means some answers will be returning to you or will be coming to you. It's going to be someone who is going to contact you, the love of your life, or the person you were interested, or you had quarrel. Okay, the shady season or whatever went through, they also went through some when they were not in contact possible with you, or they were away, or maybe this is a whole altogether new phase. They went through a lot of travels in their life and they were away, they were in their own scenarios. Obviously everyone does have their own individual scenarios, but I kind of feel like while they were wandering, they never realized that they are going to have this connection sort of like with you. Is it going on with you? Okay, so in your life you're looking for the emotions and you're going to grab the emotions. We'll see what's beyond, but with this Six of Swords, some of you are closing the chapters, moving on in a new phase. It's also the decision between two, so that's what I see at least, and you're going with the new. Okay, now maybe some of you will convert that tie into a bond. The tie that seemed though right now doubtful, I feel like a lot of doubts will prevail till the time you make this decision here. We'll see, because you are thinking about something, or you'll end up thinking about this collab. Three of Pentacles, work it out, or you really want to work it out. So we'll see what's in your future call, a future vibe. Interesting readings of Capricorn. Listen, the Sun is a promise of some new hope and promise of a new relationship, a promise of something that you are seeking is seeking you. And wow, and here you got the Empress. I was talking about the Empress. Okay, fine. So with the Empress, here you go. I feel like you both are not leaving out one another, and I feel like when you are like coming in this here, someone will come as a hope in someone's life. So regardless of here genders now, also male, female, doesn't matter. This Empress is coming around. I mean, they are, or you are going to grab them from future or past kind of energy and will bring here for a new chapter of your life, especially with the Sun card. Could be a Leo, not necessary, but Leo is like full something idea that will work, that you'll work on, or the beginning that you both will work on. Basically it's going to be the next morning will be together. Wow, amazing, interesting reading. Next morning we'll be together. That's what the message is coming for you guys, okay? And I think it's going to be very, very good. This Empress wanted to come out, and this is going to be togetherness for forever, okay? So for many of you, it's going to be tying the knot. Okay, can you see it? The message will reach at the right time. The connection shall bloom. And I feel like someone will be too happy, I mean too happy to contact you or to get in contact with you. This is a family bond I see coming time, okay? So expect this fertility in your life. Also, maybe this could be Aries particular. This could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius because of Knight of Wands energy. This could be the Leo, and I also see here Aquarius. Okay, well, I'm cutting the deck. You're supposed to see these cards because they are very interesting. Passion on one side and chemistry. So this is allow your heart and soul to sing with joy, and there's a strong magnetic attraction here. Interesting. It's going to come. Something is going to bloom here. Positive reading, non-negative, but with the tie, I don't know, is it like decision between two? I feel. Okay. So let's see. Attraction. Interesting. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So definitely it's going to be something very beautiful. Keep an open mind, okay? Let me just ask, what's with that where I saw, okay. This is, for many of you, it's Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So it's King of Wands energy, could be male energy prominent here for some cases, but you got this Ace of Wands here. This is my karma card, Ace of Wands, but you're getting it reversed, okay? Something was not possible prior, I feel, but now it's going to be action-oriented approach, I feel. So you were not taking some decision, you were not touching, you were not accepting something prior. This was being given to you. I feel like it's an offering. But you wanted to, or the other person wanted to, but it's very hard time, possible challenges you went through, and it's going to be regardless whatever the situation was, or whatever you don't wanted to, or you want to, now you want to. I feel, I know this is very confusing. It's something that you prior the action was not being taken, possible, okay? Or you maybe possible you took that person not seriously, or maybe the other person was not taking things seriously. Okay, this can go for like possible you spent one night or 2 nights or 2 days, you know, together, maybe few days possible. It's just not about one night, okay? And we cannot say that it's just one night and you did something kind of. No, it's not important. It's possible that you just settled and you talked for hours, like, and I feel like this is kind of, someone is winning your heart here. Is it like, and they never kind of like physically touched you, but they won your heart basically, maybe because of this gesture. So they wanted to, but they wanted to be sure of both of your connection. So basically they want to say that let's tie the bond and then proceed, which is good. And that's what the message I recently got, okay? So you wanted to be sure about this connection. Wow, very good. I mean, talked for hours, which is such a plus point in making any bond beautiful, okay? Children. So I talked about whether if this is about making a decision, closing the chapter, moving on with someone, or is it something of mending or whatever it is, but there are children. So maybe someone you're connecting, they do have children. If not, that different scenario. Maybe it's he's a family man, okay, but coming out, maybe a single father, possible single mother, or possible you both are having a big plans in future. This is connected with children. So your love life is being affected by children. Possible this is just not, they are not being affected actually. You first possible, there's two stories. One, there's this attraction and you people fit in each other's lives, and this is going to be something that they're going to take action later on, introducing their children, or you're going to introduce your children to them. One or two, for some two. Okay, yes, sure. Okay, for some cases it's about big plans ahead coming. Okay, I want to stop here. I want to wind up this reading. I hope that this will help you. Take care guys, love you, bye.